A is for address, a special code that tells where to send Bitcoin, like a digital treasure map. It helps your coins find the right home. B is for Bitcoin. It's digital treasure, a brand new kind of money, safe and sound online. Bitcoin is strong and built to last for a long, long time. C is for cold storage, like hiding your treasure in a super safe cave. Cold storage keeps your Bitcoin safe by locking it away offline. D is for decentralization. Bitcoin doesn't have a boss. Computers around the world work together to keep it running, strong, and free. E is for energy. Bitcoin uses the power of energy to do mining, solving puzzles that keep Bitcoin safe and secure. F is for fiat. That's everyday money. But governments can print more and more. Fiat can weaken like melting ice cream over time. But Bitcoin is strong like digital gold, and no one can print more of it. G is for global. Bitcoin works everywhere. It zaps across borders and connects people all over the planet. H is for HODL. It's Bitcoin speak for holding on for dear life. Smart Bitcoiners HODL for the future, believing it will grow stronger. I is for immutable. Once something is written on Bitcoin, it stays forever. That helps everyone trust it and know it's fair. J is for jurisdiction. No country controls Bitcoin. It's free like the wind. No one can stop it no matter where you live. K is for keys. Special secret codes that guard your Bitcoin treasure. Keep them safe and your Bitcoin stays yours forever. L is for ledger. Bitcoin keeps track of every transaction in a giant digital book. This special ledger makes sure everyone plays fair and knows who owns what. M is for mining. Powerful computers solve puzzles to mine new Bitcoin, using energy to keep it secure and honest. It's like a digital treasure hunt. N is for node. These are like helpful robot watchers for Bitcoin. Nodes make sure everything is fair, honest, and follows the rules. O is for ownership. Bitcoin is really yours. No one can take it from you if you keep your keys safe. You're in control, always. P is for protocol. A protocol is a set of rules everyone agrees on. Bitcoin follows the protocol, so it works the same for everyone. Q is for quantity. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin. This makes Bitcoin more valuable than gold. R is for revolution. Bitcoin is changing money in a big way. It's a new system where you are in charge. S is for Satoshi Nakamoto, the mysterious creator of Bitcoin. No one knows who Satoshi is, but they invented something truly revolutionary. T is for transactions. Sending Bitcoin is like passing digital notes. Fast, safe, and no permission needed. U is for unstoppable. Bitcoin keeps working no matter what. Rain or shine, day or night, Bitcoin's network never sleeps and can't be shut down by anyone. V is for volatility. Bitcoin's price can zoom up and dip down. That bumpy ride is called volatility, and it can be exciting. W is for wallet. Think of it as your digital treasure chest for Bitcoin. A Bitcoin wallet keeps your Bitcoin safe and sound, locked with your secret keys. X is for exchange. Bitcoin exchanges are like magical markets. You can trade regular money for Bitcoin and back again, quick and easy. Y is for year 2140. That's when the last Bitcoin will be made. It's a long way off, but Bitcoin is built to last. Z is for 0 to 1. Bitcoin made something from nothing. A brand new kind of money was born and it changed everything.